Are you looking for the best laser level for grading in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laser level for grading that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Spectra Precision Grade Laser. When it comes to high precision and long-range efficiency, the Spectra Precision Grade Laser performs well. Vertical and horizontal laser leveling is also efficient with this option. The 90-degree sight squaring is also one of the fascinating features of this product. The Spectra Precision GL622N Versatile Grade Laser has a complete function remote that works in 2 patterns. The grade you intend to use for all the axes should be inputted via the radio or instrumental remote control. The values will show on the LCD display. On the X and Y axis, you'll see that the grade ranges from -25% to +25%. The Spectra Precision Grade Laser can also excel in curtain walling and bolt installation. The device is also compatible with 90-degree squaring. The electronic blanking of the emitted laser is also possible on 3 sides to ensure that it doesn't encounter the crew working on the project. Up next in the 4th place is the Topkin Dual Slope RLS V2S Laser Level. The Spectra Precision GL722 Advanced Laser Level is one of the most sophisticated laser levels available today. This device's fascinating attributes include the long-range operation, automated axis alignment, plane lock, grade matching, and the radio remote. Setting up grade applications is possible with the GL722 laser level, thanks to the automated axis alignment. Operating the Spectra Precision can also be done easily by a single person with the help of the long-range remote control that comes with the device. The grade reverse works efficiently and instantly. Transmitter features of the Spectra Precision GL722 Advanced Laser Level can be easily controlled with the remote control from any position. You can even utilize the remote control efficiently when sitting down. There's a protective lens hood in place that ensures that the laser works at optimum capacity in every weather. The control panel of the Spectra Precision GL722 Advanced Laser Level is weather resistant. The 3rd product on our list is the Stabila LAR350 Laser Level. The laser of the Stabila rotary laser level is capable of rotating, which is great for horizontal and vertical application. It excels in motion control, which is why the rotational laser function works efficiently. It can detect your hand's motion thanks to the motion sensor built into the device. Once the motion sensor detects a hand motion, the motion sensor transmits the hand motion onto the laser. The Stabila rotary laser level also has a dual inclination slope that is in place to ensure that the device functions at the best capacity. The fascinating aspect is that you can set it at 5 degrees on both axes without a sweat. It comes with outstanding durability that enables the device last longer. A drop from 6 feet will not damage the Stabila laser level, so you can guarantee its ruggedness. 2nd on our list is the Laker Rugby Dual Grade Laser Level. If you're looking for a way to carry out your projects in style and convenience, then you need the 680 Dual Grade Laser Level. Engineers working on flat surfaces will enjoy using this device because it is great for dual or single slope construction. This semi-automated laser level excels in leveling and grading jobs. It does a quick job, so you won't bother about time wasting or errors occurring. An innovative slope tech is also in place to ensure that temperature changes are properly monitored. Even in the most severe weather conditions, you can rest assured that the Laker Rugby 680 Dual Grade Laser Level will deliver accurately. The easy-to-use interface ensures that beginners can also find their way around the device. Its menu consists of 4 buttons and a digital display. This laser level will suit your needs if you're engaging in outdoor projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch GRL400080CHVK Laser Level. One of the best options available for outdoor and indoor leveling in recent times is the GRL400080CHVK Rotary Laser Level. This laser level is a special rotary laser designed with a user engagement calibration. You can use this device's dual dial features if you're looking for a way to carry out the angle and slope adjustment. The features are also capable of working efficiently with the X and Y axis. The runtime is long due to the 4.0 and 8.0 mAh lithium-ion battery that comes with it. This device's durability is spectacular since it comes with a protective rubber casing capable of withstanding harsh and rough environments. You can use it for indoor and outdoor projects since it has waterproof and dustproof capabilities. One exciting feature that you'll love is the Bluetooth connectivity of the device. You only need to download the Bosch Remote app on your smartphone and connect your Bosch rotary laser to your phone. Other control features include sleep mode, dial and slope, and others. The Bosch rotary laser level is self-leveling, enabling you to work smart and fast on your projects. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.